Hey everyone, it's Airdrop and welcome back to the channel. If there's one thing I've learned in the ever-evolving and fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, it's that the early bird gets the Bitcoin, or in this case, the massive gains. Timing is everything. We're talking life-changing returns, the kind that can take you from wondering if you can afford rent to buying that dream house outright. Imagine the freedom and security that comes with such financial success. But listen, the 2025 bull run is coming whether you're ready for it or not, and it's going to make a lot of people rich. The question is, will you be one of them? The question is, are you going to be one of them? Are you prepared to seize the opportunity? Right now, the entire market is gearing up. We're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of other promising cryptocurrencies. The whole 9 yards, all set to explode. The potential here is enormous, and the time to act is now. But here's the thing, you don't need a ton of money to make a killing. Even a small investment can yield significant returns if you know where to put it. In fact, some of the biggest winners in the next bull market are going to be these smaller, under-the-radar cryptos that are trading for pennies right now. These hidden gems have the potential to skyrocket. That's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore these opportunities in detail. We're going deep on 5 cheap cryptos that I think have the potential to absolutely erupt in the next bull run. These are not just random picks. They are carefully researched and selected. We're talking about the kind of projects with solid fundamentals, real-world use cases, and strong development teams behind them, and the potential to 10 times, 20 times, even 100 times your money. The growth potential is staggering, even 100 times your money. Imagine turning a small investment into a fortune. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get into it. This is going to be an exciting journey, and I can't wait to share it with you. First up, we've got VeChain, a project that's tackling one of the biggest problems in the world, supply chain transparency. This is a critical issue that affects not just businesses, but consumers and the environment as well. Think about it. Every product you buy, from the clothes you wear to the food you eat, has gone through a complex journey to get to you. This journey involves multiple stages, including raw material extraction, manufacturing, distribution, and retail. But how much do you really know about that journey? Probably not much. Most of us are in the dark about where our products come from and the conditions under which they were made. That's where VeChain comes in. They're using blockchain technology to create a secure and transparent system for tracking products at every stage of the supply chain. This means that every step from the origin of raw materials to the final product on the shelf is recorded and can be verified. We're talking about everything from the raw materials to the manufacturing process to the final product on the shelf. This level of transparency is unprecedented and can help build trust between consumers and brands. And get this, VeChain is already being used by some major players in the industry. These companies are leveraging VeChain's technology to enhance their supply chain operations and ensure product authenticity. We're talking about Walmart China, BMW, and even the French grocery giant Carrefour. These are huge names that have recognized the value of VeChain's solution. These companies are using VeChain to track everything from food safety to luxury goods, and the results have been incredible. Improved traceability has led to better quality control and increased consumer confidence. But here's the kicker. VeChain is still incredibly undervalued. Despite its real-world applications and growing adoption, its market price doesn't reflect its true potential. It's trading for just a few cents right now, but with its real-world adoption and massive potential, I wouldn't be surprised to see it hit $1, $2, even $5 in the next bull run. The market is starting to recognize the value of blockchain solutions in supply chain management. That's the power of getting in early on a project that's solving a real problem. Investing in VeChain now could be a game changer as it continues to revolutionize supply chains and gain traction in various industries. Next up, we've got Cardano, a project that's often called the Ethereum killer. Now I know what you're thinking, another Ethereum competitor? There are hundreds of those, but trust me on this one, Cardano is different. For starters, Cardano is built on a scientific philosophy and peer-reviewed research. That means every step of the development process is carefully considered and rigorously tested. This isn't some fly-by-night project. Cardano is built for the long haul. But it's not just about the tech. Cardano is also focused on sustainability and scalability. They're using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism which is way more energy efficient than Ethereum's proof-of-work system. Plus, Cardano is designed to handle a massive amount of transactions per second. which means it can actually scale to meet the demands of a global economy. And let's not forget about the community. Cardano has one of the most passionate and dedicated communities in the entire crypto space. These people believe in the project, and they're in it for the long haul. Right now, Cardano is still relatively cheap, but with its strong fundamentals, growing ecosystem, and dedicated community, I wouldn't be surprised to see it become a top 3 crypto in the next bull run. Chapter 3, Polkadot, Connecting the Future of Blockchain. Now, let's talk about Polkadot, a project that's building the Internet of blockchains. You see, right now, most blockchains are like islands, isolated from each other. But Polkadot is building the bridges that will connect them all. Imagine a world where different blockchains can seamlessly communicate and share data. That's the vision of Polkadot, and it's a game changer. With Polkadot, developers can build applications that leverage the strengths of multiple blockchains. We're talking about the next generation of decentralized applications, or dApps, that are more powerful and versatile than ever before. And Polkadot is already gaining serious traction. They've got a thriving ecosystem of projects building on their platform, and they're constantly innovating and expanding their capabilities. The best part? Polkadot is still relatively undervalued. It's trading for a fraction of its potential, and with its ambitious roadmap and growing ecosystem, I think it's poised for explosive growth in the next bull run. Chapter 4, Chainlink bringing real-world data to the blockchain. Next up, we've got Chainlink, a project that's solving one of the biggest challenges in the blockchain space, the Oracle problem. You see, blockchains are great at tracking data that's already on the blockchain, but what about data from the real world? Things like stock prices, weather data, or even the outcome of an election. That's where Chainlink comes in. They're building a decentralized network of oracles that can securely and reliably bring real-world data onto the blockchain. This is absolutely crucial for the future of decentralized applications, as it allows them to interact with the real world in meaningful ways. And Chainlink is already being used by some of the biggest names in the industry. We're talking about Google Cloud, Oracle, and even Swift, the global financial messaging system. These companies are using Chainlink to access real-world data in a secure and reliable way. With its strong partnerships, real-world adoption, and critical role in the blockchain ecosystem, Chainlink is a project that I believe has massive potential in the next bull run. Chapter 5, Stellar, Banking the Unbanked. Finally, let's talk about Stellar, a project that's using blockchain technology to revolutionize the global financial system. This isn't just another blockchain project, it's a game changer. Now I know what you're thinking. Another financial blockchain? Haven't we heard this before? Haven't we heard this before? The market is flooded with blockchain solutions, each promising to be the next big thing. But trust me, Stellar is different. It's not just about hype, it's about real-world impact. Stellar is focused on providing financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world. These are the people who have been left out of the traditional financial system. We're talking about the billions of people who don't have access to traditional banking services. Imagine the impact of bringing financial inclusion to these communities. With Stellar, anyone with a smartphone can send and receive money instantly with very low fees. This is a game changer for people who rely on expensive and slow traditional methods. But it's not just about remittances. It's about creating a whole new financial ecosystem. Stellar is also being used for cross-border payments, microfinance, and even asset tokenization. These are areas where traditional banking has often failed. They're partnering with major organizations like MoneyGram to expand their reach and impact, and IBM to bring their vision to life. These partnerships are crucial for scaling their solutions globally. And here's the thing, Stellar is incredibly efficient and scalable. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, making it suitable for large-scale applications. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, with fees that are a fraction of a penny. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial status, with fees that are a fraction of a penny. That makes it a viable solution for both individuals and institutions, providing a level playing field for all. That makes it a viable solution for both individuals and institutions. Whether you're sending money to family or running a business, Stellar has you covered. With its focus on financial inclusion, strong partnerships, and impressive technology, Stellar is a project that stands out in the crowded blockchain space. Stellar is a project that I believe has the potential to change the world. It's not just about technology, it's about making a real difference in people's lives. And in the next bull run, I wouldn't be surprised to see it skyrocket in value. Stellar is not just a financial tool, it's a movement towards a more inclusive world. So there you have it. 5 cheap cryptos that I believe have the potential to absolutely explode in the 2025 bull run. We've got VeChain revolutionizing supply chains, Cardano building the future of smart contracts, Polkadot connecting the blockchain world, Chainlink bridging the gap between the blockchain and the real world, and Stellar banking the unbanked. But remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my thoughts and opinions. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and there are no guarantees. That being said, I truly believe that the projects we discussed today have the potential to generate life-changing returns in the coming years. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's ride this bull run together.